Here's our 2005 Volvo V50 T5 all-wheel drive manual, a very rare machine. Let's give you a little tour of it. I'm going to start off by giving it a cold start and idle. Let's check it out. Alright, let's do an exterior tour of the V50 T5 all-wheel drive manual. Barrett's Blue Metallic is the paint. It's in pretty solid shape overall. Slight fading, no clear coat failure or anything like that. Overall body too, not a lot of dents, just small little things, little scratches. Not bad for 188,000 miles. Come around, headlights look great. Those are just yellow fog light covers. No major damage to report. The wheels are cool. They're like a dark chrome 16-inch Fat 5, very nice. Really good tires, Yokohama Advan Flevas, big fan. Good grip. It's the official prancing moves, bonus there. But yeah, as you look down the side, very straight. Very small issues to call out there. Yep, coming around the back, same deal. Bumper's not even that bad. Everything looks good. You got your V50. There's your T5 all-wheel drive designation there. But yeah, car's looking really good. Minor scratches, little teeny stuff, but I mean, look how straight, especially this passenger side, just excellent. 188,000 miles. Love this paint color too. But yeah, coming around the front, nothing dramatic to look at there. Roof also, no hail damage or anything crazy like that. That's looking good. Yeah, overall, exterior is in really good shape. Let's check out the interior of a V50. All the doors function perfectly. Everything's in place. Driver's seat's probably the roughest out of the bunch, but even then, you've got some cracking down here, but it's just on the very surface level, right? It's not pulling apart. None of the seams are letting go. None of the bolsters are ripped open. For 188K, it looks pretty good. I'll show you the back after too, but let's crawl in here. You got a little door sill and everything. Still in great shape. Dash is in perfect condition. These really don't crack or get disturbed or anything, so that's really not a risk with these P1 Volvos. Gauge cluster is nice and clean. Lots of sun glare, but it is nice and clean. It's not all scratched up and scuffed up. Of course, the steering wheel's looking great as well. Working with this awesome glare in here. You've got your waterfall design, which is a really cool Swedish design. It is that stainless steel one. Some little dings and stuff and scratches, but not bad. Again, there's where your key fob goes. Big deal. Got a 6-speed manual right here, and this is what you're paying for, right? You got 3 pedals down below, blocked by my boots, but yeah, this is an M66. This is the same manual gearbox you'd get with the S60R and the V70R, so it's a very robust 6-speed manual, especially for this T5 motor application. So came from the factory like that. Ultra rare. That's probably what makes this car the rarest, but overall, everything's good. It's got the Volvo rubber floor mats around, but yeah, you can see everything's in really good shape in here. There are some imperfections, obviously. The seat surfaces, got a little sunroof, or a little before the sunroof, you got a little damage here. They kind of poorly painted, but like just little stuff like that, right? Overall, good stuff. We'll hop in the back seat now. Back seat space is surprisingly okay. I'm gonna sit behind myself. I'm 6 feet tall, so if I can do that, it's totally doable. There's a little bump up back here for heads in the back. That's nice. But yeah, looking around pretty good. Everything's good. Seats are in solid condition, not ripped up. Yeah, you know, I think this is a good interior. These have held up pretty well over time, so definitely check out the detailed photos, but it's nice in here. It's a nice place to sit. Plenty of space. For a smaller wagon, we're not hurting on cargo space either. The V50 really provides great accommodations here in the back. You've got your spare, everything under there. All the tools are there. Those seats fold down. You can put a lot of impressive cargo materials back here, but man, this is why we love wagons, right? So again, looking pretty solid back here too, guys. Under the hood, we have a nice little gem there as well. Hood struts work perfectly, and there we have it. And my shadow's right in the way. Let me step aside while you get a view of this T5 Volvo motor, which is a 2.5 liter 5-cylinder turbo. Very simple. These engines are super straightforward to work on. I've done a good amount of maintenance. I'll list it all in the ad, but all the big stuff's taken care of, especially the time belt water pump, less than 20,000 miles ago. Fresher battery, plugs, Volvo OEM plugs actually, air filter, all that kind of good stuff. So it is looking prime under here. And again, sorry about the shadow, but very clean, very stock, very original under here, and that's what you want to see with one of these cars. It's been well kept, and engine bays tend to reflect that. So yeah, great engine. If you haven't experienced one of these, the 5-cylinder turbo is very nice. Great amount of torque down low, good horsepower numbers overall for a 2.5 5-cylinder. Love these motors. They're reliable, robust, and easy to take care of.